सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।
Now there is a joke called the T20 World Cup. First of all, the biggest joke is there is something called the India versus USA match. What is wrong with these cricket wallas? They are now going to every country and it is fantastic. Today there's a troll called Iceland Cricket. They are trolling the ICC. The biggest joke in the country is this T20 World Cup. But a bigger joke is Pakistan. Because Pakistan began by saying we will support Bangladesh, we will stand with them, we will not play against India. And now these cheap Pakistanis are starting to negotiate, saying if you give us a little bit more money, we are willing to do another U-turn. Big debate. I don't know why we are even thinking about it. We should refuse to play Pakistan, but the ICC does not have the guts to do that. Let's debate.
These are pictures from a meeting in Lahore. ICC Deputy Chairman Imran Khwaja, PCB Chairman Mohsin Naqvi and Bangladesh Cricket Board President Aminul Islam meeting to deliberate Pakistan's decision to boycott India tie in T20 World Cup.
Pressure seems to be building on Pakistan, coming not just from the global body ICC but also from host Sri Lanka. Now at this point, ICC is leaving no stone unturned to ensure that Pakistan changes its stance over boycotting the match with India. The question is this because of the commercial deals involved? Is this because of the revenue that India-Pakistan match brings to the global body?
In the meeting, ICC Deputy Chairman Imran Khwaja reportedly urged Pakistan to end the boycott.
पाकिस्तान इसमें बेवजह पड़ा हुआ, एक झूठी जो है वो बांग्लादेश को चढ़ाना है, उन्हें पुदीने के झाड़ पे चढ़ा देना और ये सब उनको उकसाने में बहुत बड़ा रोल पाकिस्तान का है.
So it is between the ICC and Pakistan now. But while it could be commercial prospects for them, why should India insist on the Pak tie?
This is a joke. I don't think India should be playing Pakistan in cricket at any point of time, and that too after the Pahalgam attack. You know, the way they export terror filled with hate against Hindus.
This is an important sentiment. Operation Sindoor is still on. BCCI be better warned that playing with Pakistan is playing with this sentiment.
Okay, I have with me Rajinder Amarnath, former Indian cricketer, Major Samarpal Tur, well-known defence expert, Raja Faisal. Raja from Islamabad, first you said you will not play. He said, okay. Now, then you said your Prime Minister issued a statement that we have now decided at government level we will not play. We said, okay. Then you said again, we are repeating we will not play. We said okay. Then you said that if you agree to some conditions, we may play. Now we are not going to say okay to that. You are now saying that if you give us some more money, we will play. Do you have no shame? कोई इज्जत जैसी चीज नहीं है आपकी.
Can I reply?
Listen to me. Listen. You need to listen today. We said that okay, you don't play. You said no, but we want to fight for Bangladesh. If you give more money to Bangladesh and to us, we will play. How can we keep giving our money just because you are poor? Just because you are a poor people. We can't give you our money. No, the thing is that you said you don't want to play. We said okay. Huh?
Let me correct you.
Yes.
Let me correct you. Pakistan is just standing for the right. Pakistan is just standing for the justice. And justice must be done in cricketing field as well. When it comes to, you claiming that Pakistan is asking for some kind of leverage to come back in the game and wants to play, that is entirely wrong. Pakistan, very first day, gave it a stance, and the government of Pakistan, it said that we are not coming to play against India. We are going to, of course.
But you said that you will not play, right? So 1 minute. Let's go to the core issue.
We won't play.
Let's go to the core issue. Let's go to the core issue. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Still, Pakistan is sticking to its plan.
Now, if you are not playing, yeah, good. So it's over. क्या बात कर रहे हो फिर?
हाँ.
आपने बोला हम नहीं खेलेंगे. Samar, I don't understand this. They say, 1 minute. We didn't tell you to do all this drama. I am anti this stupid cricket. I think it's a waste. I think nobody should sponsor a stupid India-Pakistan match. Nobody should sponsor a stupid tournament that is India versus USA. Nobody has time to waste, and people in this country are so angry that this ICC and this BCCI want us to play Pakistan. ये जबरदस्ती किया जा रहा है, गलती हो रही है. I am totally against it. Now my question is, let's focus on Pakistan. Pakistan is now saying, we may play if you give us more money, which means that you are a permanent beggar state.
Not at all. We are seeking a justice.
Then you talk to Ramesh Raja.
But you said you will not play. Now you are saying you want justice. Can I show the statement? Can you have the bite of Shahbaz where he made the announcement? Yeah, Samar.
Ramesh Raja,
for the appearance of the both teams.
Please ask Ramesh Raja. He had disclosed that PCB is only surviving on Indian money. Ramesh Raja has given a statement that majority of the funding that PCB gets is from the Indian Cricket Board. ICC.
Not at all.
It is a recorded statement
of Pakistani cricketers.
It's a recorded statement.
Pakistanis love playing cricket, and they have brought excellent names in the past and now as well.
Ramesh Raja has given a statement on record.
What nonsense!
Ramesh Raja has given a statement on record.
Raja says you can't.
1 minute. Can I, Raja? I want to play for you a soundbite of a man who looks like Shehbaz Sharif. जो 3 दिन पहले इन्होंने क्या बोला और हमने बोला ओके, इन्होंने क्लियरली बोला वी विल नॉट प्ले, वी हैव डिसाइडेड. उसके बाद यू हैव टू बी नंबर 1 बेशरम to go back on your own words after making a statement like this. Please hear this sound with him on air. Yeah, play audio.
हमने कह दिया कि हम नहीं खेलना चाहते, फिर पीछे
T20 वर्ल्ड कप जो है उस हवाले से हमने बड़ा वाज़ेह स्टैंड लिया है कि हम हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ जो मैच है वो हम नहीं खेलेंगे, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान ने कहा कि ये खेल का मैदान है, ये सियासत नहीं है. खेल के मैदान में सियासत बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए. हमने एक बड़ा सोच समझ के हमने स्टैंड लिया है और इस हवाले से हमें बांग्लादेश के साथ पूरी तरह खड़े होना चाहिए इंशाअल्लाह.
वहाँ पे क्लैपिंग भी हो गई कि हम नहीं खेलेंगे ना. राजेंद्र अमरनाथ अभी बोल रहे हैं, अभी ये बोल रहे हैं हम खेलेंगे, हमारे नए कंडीशंस है. इसमें whose mistake is it? Rajinder Amarnath, Rajinder ji, who is an ICC also to fault for talking to Pakistan? Why doesn't the ICC say mat khelo, khatam baat, expose them?
Thank you.
Mr. Amarnath.
Good evening, Arnav, and good evening, everybody.
Yes.
I think what I am going through the news for last couple of days is, after Prime Minister of Pakistan has categorically stated that they will not play against India. Now, they are coming back to their old self by what they say first, and they retract their statement. Now they're saying that, okay, we will discuss with the ICC, come to an understanding, and then we will be ready to play. I just fail to understand, when you have already taken a call not to play against India and boycott the match, then why the hell are you going back to the ICC and discussing? What I can understand from this discussion is that it is the money which is going to trouble them. It's the future of Pakistani cricket which is going to be compromised if they do not play the game against India.
Yeah.
Under these circumstances, they have nothing else but to crawl to ICC. They might try any face-saving
Should I open up lines?
debate and
Let's
speak
open
to
up
the
lines.
IC members.
Okay,
but what I can understand is, knowing the Pakistani mentality quite well, they will play the match against India.
They will want to play the match against India because
we are bringing India on its knees to play the match. Then they will.
Now I'll tell you this.
Like
I'll tell you this.
doing
Now
right
I'm
now,
hearing this, viewers.
we will play the match.
I'm hearing
But
this.
after the justice
I'm
is
hearing
done,
this. One
we
minute.
are
One
seeking
minute.
the justice.
Just one.
We are seeking the justice.
Can I
We
say
don't
one thing?
allow
Okay,
any country to be a bully in the field of
Raja. Just give me a moment. When you hear a Pakistani say, "We are bringing India to its knees to play cricket," my blood boils because otherwise, besides cricket, agar cricket ko chhod dein, you are a, what do I say? You are a, Shumaila, let me find the real word. You are a puny country with a 2% growth economy that exports donkeys with 37 to 40% inflation. Right?
You're a loser
and you have gone begging to the IMF. You have gone begging. You're a beggar country. You are a country. You've gone to the IMF. You're a beggar country. No, you are a beggar country that has gone to the IMF with a begging bowl 25 times since 1958. Your external debt is 130 billion. You're an indebted country. Even Qatar, Saudi Arabia and China are not helping you. You're a gone case country. But problem ye hai, Rajinder ji. You see, it's not. It's a reality. It's a reality. It's a reality. Now my question is, Shumaila, listen. I am a very reasonable man. You said we will not play. We said okay. You said Bangladesh ko nahi khilaoge. We said okay. No, we said okay. Now you are coming with a katora, which in Hindi, a begging bowl. You are coming back with a begging katora, saying you are coming back with a katora, saying agar zyada paise doge to khelenge. We don't want to play with you. We should not play with you, and we don't want. Why are you making it an issue?
Who said we want to play with you?
But you said you don't want to play. We said okay. You decide, Shumaila, once and for all. You want to play or don't want to play?
That's my chairman will decide.
And your Prime Minister announced, Shehbaz Sharif made an announcement, we will not play.
Your irresponsible attitude against Pakistan.
I don't have an attitude, I look down on you.
We are not taking the trophy. We are not making we are not going to shake hands.
We will not shake hands.
What is this? Why
Rajinder, why do you want to shake hands with us? We won't shake hands.
This war.
We don't know, whatever, we are in war with you. We don't like you. Why should we?
The politics in this.
I understand.
Rajinder,
you should be reasonable.
Open the lines. This is disgusting. I am so angry with the BCCI and ICC. I don't know what the hell the BCCI and ICC are doing. They are letting down the people of India. I condemn the stance of the BCCI and ICC to compromise the people of India by forcing us to watch an India-Pakistan match. Rajinder Ramanna.
I can understand that when they say that we are not going to be playing against India, but at the same time they are having a discussion with the ICC members. They want a safe way out because they want to save their face because of the stupidity they have committed by coming out in support of Bangladesh, who themselves have committed a harakiri. They refused to come to India without any reason. And now the Pakistanis have also gone the same path. They thought the arm twisting of the ICC or the BCCI will make them a greater nation in cricket. I'm sorry to say that, madam. It's not the case.
Raja.
The case is the Pakistan cricket is really going down. They have no money. Without the ICC funding, you will not be able to
play with us.
Listen,
we have said that we don't want to play with you unless you are just enough.
Rajinder, louder.
Justice in the game.
That what you are trying to say makes no sense to the world. Because the entire
you are merely a team against Pakistan. If
I know. It's the only team which has been rubbing your nose on the ground for so many years. You see the results on the ground and then you realize. Half the crowd leaves the match halfway down the match because they know Pakistan is going to lose. So that has been your cricketing credentials against India. Go through the records. Go through the records. Go through the records in the recent years. You have done nothing. You have starting from you are
teaching India not to be a bully in the team, not to be a bully in the cricket. Because we want cricket, we don't want pulling.
Absolutely, play cricket the way cricket is played. I would love to see the two nations playing.
Exactly.
I will be the last person, but the way you have been projecting yourself
we are going to put
a country which has been denied the opportunity.
We are dragging you right now.
No. You have been dragging yourself down in the deep hole which you are digging, and you will not be able to come out of it. I can tell you that much. You have no idea where you are heading to. You are heading to a place from there is no return.
We are bringing you down to your knees.
No, I think now that I'm hearing all of this, I mean, this too much. Venkatesh from Bangalore. Venkatesh, are you hearing this? This is making me very angry now. You know, I don't know why the BCCI is bringing us down to doing this to us. It's so unfair. I condemn the ICC and the BCCI for trying to do this without asking for the permission of the people of India. Please, one word from Venkatesh. Are you there, Venkatesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, the thing is that Pakistan needs the money more than we do. And I feel totally let down. Operation Sindoor is still going on. I don't know, we should not be playing any match with Pakistan, because when the match happens, even very devout national states, they can't resist the temptation to watch the match.
No, but this temptation, you will have to go through a period of boycott. It's not a question of temptation. It is something that is ethically wrong. It doesn't have the agreement of the people of India. But more than that, these Pakistanis, I'm sorry, Shomela, who don't have the auqat to be with us talking at the same level.
Do you have a auqat? जो 10 मई को हमसे हारे में
No, you don't have the auqat. When we threw the BrahMos right into your country, you couldn't even detect it, Shomela. अभी तो एक ही BrahMos चलाया है. We will fire more BrahMos. You won't be left standing. This is the point. And the BCCI wants us to play with these jokers. I mean, come on now, we need to start a movement here to block this match, Samar. Block the match. Stop the match. A compromise of national interest. Samar.
This is going to be the last nail in the coffin for the Pakistan Cricket Board. You do not have the money to play. You are coming up with tantrums. And let me tell you, the audience, Pakistan will be maximum. Why? Because there is a lot of unemployment.
इंडिया को जितना नुकसान हो रहा है पाकिस्तान के मना करने से जो जलील हो रहा है.
आप तो शुमेला जी एक मेरी बात सुनिए. I want to speak to Shumela. Shumela, I'm telling you clearly now. I want to talk to you. See, listen to me. जलील तो आपके प्राइम मिनिस्टर शहबाज शरीफ हो चुके हैं. इतने जलील, मेरी बात, इतने जलील हो चुके हैं कि उन्होंने जाके पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट की कि हम नहीं खेलेंगे. हमने डिसीजन ले लिया बांग्लादेश को समर्थन करने के लिए. अरे औकात नहीं है आपकी बांग्लादेश को समर्थन करने के लिए. 1-2-3 मिलियन डॉलर्स के लिए आप कटोरा लेके घूमने वाली कंट्री, आपकी औकात नहीं है. आपकी औकात नहीं है, आपकी और राजा. No, I don't want to talk to you beyond the point, because the fact is you are not worth my time. You see, राजा, listen, शोमेला, आप जाके बोलो शहबाज शरीफ को कि भाई तुमने अनाउंसमेंट क्यों की. अनाउंसमेंट करने के बाद तो जलील करने के लिए हमें भेजा इंडियन टीवी चैनल रिपब्लिक में. आपने किया, फिर यू टर्न ले रहे हो सबके सामने. ऐसे कोई बिहेव करता है? राजेश फ्रॉम गाजियाबाद. I don't know what Rajiv Shukla is doing here.
Hi, good evening, Arnab. Thanks for the opportunity, and you are doing a wonderful job for the country.
Thank you.
And myself, Rajesh Sahib, I am myself a refugee from Kashmir.
Yeah.
Due to the terrorism of Pakistanis. My message to them is, they will be the beggars always, and soon they will be part of Akhand Bharat.
That's true, but we shouldn't be playing them, Rajesh, listen, wherever you are, join the Nationalist Collective and start a movement in Ghaziabad, everywhere. Stop this game from happening. This is going to be so against our national interest. Let the Pakistani cricket team go to hell. They are begging us, but I don't care. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up on the other side. Coming up, Come on now, what's your problem? Shumela, why are you getting angry? You just said हम cricket और sports को mix नहीं करते हैं. अभी why are you spewing venom like that? Why have you lost your balance? इतने desperate क्यों हैं आप लोग? Why are you desperate to play us? You export donkeys, that's your job. You export donkeys, Shumela.
They are bankrupt.
Export donkeys, it's a great business for Pakistanis. You are the world's largest exporter of donkeys. We are hosting the AI Summit. 40 heads of state are coming for the AI Summit in India, and you should host an international donkey conclave. Donkey exporter country, ladies and gentlemen. A great export from Pakistan are the donkeys, and they'll never be short of it. Ladies and gentlemen, when I'm back, Himanta Biswa Sharma on why he thinks his rival Gaurav Gogoi, the deputy leader in the opposition in the Lok Sabha, is a Pakistani agent. Is there truth in that?
Time for a quick breather.
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।